Good morning, students. In this session, let us see about perspective projection. Perspective projection. So, what is meant by that? So, before that, we know about orthographic projection, and then we know about isometric projections. Now, we are studying about perspective projections. So, this means actual projection or realistic projection. So it can be named like that. Okay, realistically that. So in this projection, so objects are represented realistically. So actually, when we are looking at an object, how it looks like, how it is looking to our eyes, that is represented in this projection. So actually in orthographic projections, we are representing the objects suitable size, correct size and length. But in isometric projection means we are having nothing but an orthographic projections. So there we are drawing the correct size of an object. But in our eyesight, when I am looking at an object, the original length and breadth will not be visible. Okay. In the eyesight, so the object should not like it is not able to view all the sides in correct form in our eyes. So eyesight, how it is looking like. So for example, when we are when we are going to and standing on a railway track, the middle portion of the railway track, I am sitting. I am standing. Okay. So the railway track, so I am standing here. So I am looking at the railway track. So at the long distance, when the length going up, we know that all the lengths are same. The railway track, two tracks are parallel lines. The gap is always same value will be there. But when we are looking from the middle, so at the long distance, the two tracks converging, and it is going to join smaller in size. In our eyesight, how it is that smaller in size, and at one point, okay, now I am standing here. At one point, it seems that two tracks are joined at a point. So this is what in our view happens. So another example, so when we are standing on a seashore, okay, when we are standing on a seashore, and I am looking on the sky and the sea. So at some extent, it seems that the sun, the sky and the water, the sea are touching. Okay. So, is it touching really? No, it is not touching. So, our view side is like that. So, where it is touching, that is our thinking. At horizon level, at our eye level. If we are at our eye level, okay, when we are seeing the sea and the sky at long distance, it seems that our sea and the sky are touching. Where this touching means in our eye level only this seems to be touching. That eye level we are telling just eye level and that line, that plane which is passing over the line is known as horizon line. We will name it as horizon level. Horizon level. At this horizon or eye level. So at the eye level it seems that the object, the sky and the sky and the sea are touching. So this is how the real projection is there, real view is there. So and how we are going to do this? So here in this, so if you see here our eyesight, so I am looking at an object like that. Okay. So how I am able to see the object means from the object, the rays are coming here and converging at our eye. Okay. So from here also the eyesight rays are coming and converging at this point. So from all the places, the visible rays are coming and converging at this point. Okay, so this is our vision, our eye level, the eyesight. Then, so what is perspective projection means? If I am placing a plane on horizontal plane, okay, maybe a plane in this, okay, the image obtained on this plane, when I am placing a vertical plane in between the eye and the object, that is termed as isometric, the perspective projection, that is known as perspective projections. So look here, so this is an eye, right? This is an eye, so I am looking at an object, so this is an original object, then I am placing a plane here, cross plane, that means picture plane, I name it as picture plane, okay. So the image obtained on the picture plane is the perspective projection of that object. So we are going to study about it, okay. Then how we are drawing this, how this represents the realistic projection, realistic. So in this, the object are represented realistically, how it is looking. So in the screen you are looking, okay. So if I am keeping this object, okay, this object here, it looks like smaller in size, okay. When I am bringing it near to your eyes, near to the, it becomes larger in size, and the thing at the back becomes smaller in size, okay. That is our eyesight. So this is realistically. So what the object is viewed in our eyesight. So realistically, the object is represented. The diagram is represented. Means it is perspective projections. Then photograph of a person is also perspective. Photograph means we are taking a photograph. Means from the object is coming. So the film is in front of the converging point, and the converging point and between the observer, between the object. Now the image obtained is photograph is in perspective only. So in the photograph, when we are taking a photograph of a building, means the front portion becomes the scenes look bigger in size, and the end, the back portions become smaller in size. That is actual photograph also, the perspective projection of the object. Then it shows the three dimensions, shows three dimensions in a single plane. Yes, the projections, three dimensional object will be viewed. When we are looking at an object, the three dimensionally the object is visible, right? So top side, left side and right side is visible. So three dimensions will be viewed in a single view in perspective projection. So we study about what is perspective projection in this class. Okay, now we will study how to draw the perspective projection of an object. So for that, how we are drawing it. This is a third angle projections. For understanding this, we need to know about some planes, reference planes, which we are using for drawing the object. So drawing the perspective projections. Reference plane. What are the reference planes we have? Is 1, 2, 3, 4 planes we have, right? So 4 planes we have. So first we need to know about picture plane. Picture plane. You see this? It's a vertical plane. This plane, you are able to understand. Vertical plane, picture plane on which the view is obtained. Perspective view is obtained. Okay. So in the picture plane only the drawing will be obtained. Perspective projection drawing will be obtained. So this is in between the eye and the object. In between the eye and the object. We are here. Okay. We are level and the object. So this is the picture plane. It's a vertical plane. Then we go about horizontal plane. Horizontal plane. Horizontal plane means at eye level. The plane, horizontal plane. Horizontal plane means a horizontal plane at eye level. Eye level. At our eye level, I am having a plane. Horizontal plane means horizontal plane. See here, this is an eye. So at this level, I am drawing a horizontal plane. This is a horizontal plane. Okay, this is mutually perpendicular to the picture plane. Picture plane and the horizon plane are 90 degree to each other. So picture plane is a vertical plane, horizon plane is a horizontal plane. Then, so here we have one horizontal plane and vertical plane. Okay, so realistically you think about it. So this is an horizontal plane. That means horizon plane. Horizon plane. Then this is a vertical plane, that is picture plane. This is a picture plane, this is horizon plane. Then object is situated at the back. So this is a third angle projection. Perspective projection is a third angle projection. We are because we are here, so first quadrant, so back the second quadrant, here third quadrant, here fourth quadrant. So actually the object is located at the third quadrant, which is it is a third angle projection actually. So object is at the back. So here picture plane. We are looking from here only. Okay, we are looking an object. So here the image is obtained here. Perspective projection is obtained here on this. So that's I am explaining in the diagram, right? So vertical plane. It's an eye. It's an object. So here the image is obtained on the vertical picture plane. So okay, it's a horizon plane. Then two more planes are there. So that is axillary horizon plane, central plane, one more plane is there, ground plane also, ground also there, so ground. So this is a horizon plane, right? This is a horizon plane, heights plane, horizon plane. So I am standing on the ground, so ground plane also there. So that one which is the ground is known as ground plane. So from the ground plane, our height, how much this located is our horizon plane, ground plane also there. Then axillary horizon plane. Axillary horizon plane means one plane above this horizon plane. One plane above the horizon plane. So we are having this on which we are representing the top view of the object. Okay, so on which we are representing the top view of the object. So we are using for drawing the isometric. Then we know about ground plane. Then central plane. Central plane means it's a vertical plane. So here, it's a vertical plane. So look at this. So here I am having an eye here. Horizon plane here, having an eye here. I am looking at an object. So in that level, I am having a plane, central plane, which is perpendicular to horizontal plane as well as this picture plane. So this plane is known as the central plane. One plane which is central plane, which is going towards the perpendicular like that. This centrally, which is passing through the eye level, station point, eye level. The plane which I am representing is a central plane. So we studied about all the planes in the perspective projections. Then horizon line and ground line. Horizon line means the line of this line. Okay, this line is horizon line. That is the line of intersection. Line of intersection of picture plane and the horizon plane. Horizon plane and the picture plane is known as horizon line. And ground line means which is this line, ground plane, ground line. Then station point means eye level, station point, observer, or otherwise eye level. Whatever is our viewpoint. Say eye level, eye point is located from here. So now we understand what is perspective projections and what are the reference planes we have in this, and then the next we will study how to draw one by one for a given problem. Okay, so we understand that how it is there. The object is located back, so near back picture plane. The object is located. The location will be given like this. The object is located how much back, behind. So here picture plane is there. How much behind the object is located? They will give reference. And then your top view will be drawing over here above the reference line. As it is a third angle projection. Okay, third angle projection means so top view represented here. When you are rotating, it becomes above the XY line. Top view becomes above the reference line. XY line or this horizon line. Okay, top view is above the horizon line, and we draw the front view, the ground line. So the ground only the object is located, right? From the ground, so ground line only we draw the object front view, and above it, so it becomes below the horizon line. So top view. So we represent the top view, the front view. Then we use the perspective, visual ray positions, perspective positions. So here we have two methods, okay, for drawing isometric the perspective projections. What are those methods? Means visual ray method and vanishing point method. Visual ray method and vanishing point method. Vanishing point method. Two methods we have to draw the isometric perspective projections. So we will understand one by one in the further classes.